For question number 2, if we take a look at the graph, we should notice that the graph is going up from left to right and it is forming a straight line. So because this graph is a straight line, we can say that this graph is linear. And the reasoning for that is that the graph is a straight line. And so does it have a constant rate of change or a constant ratio? Because it's linear, it does have a constant rate of change. And so to find what that constant rate of change is, it's similar to finding the slope. And that's something we're going to spend a little bit more time on later on in this unit, but just to give you a preview of it, if we were to find the slope of this line, we're going to take a look at 2 points. So we can mark the point 0, -3, and another good point would be 2, -2. And then we can take a look at what's happening as our rise over our run. So from -3 to -2, we're going up 1, and we're going to the right 2. So again, up 1, right 2, we can see that this has a constant rate of change of 1/2. And again, if that was a little confusing, don't worry about it. We are going to talk a lot more about slope in the upcoming sections in this module.